What's the meaning of ahead of? Ahead of. Ahead of. Ahead of. Ahead of. Ahead of. The phrase ahead of typically means being in a position of advantage or leading in a competition or situation. It can also mean occurring earlier in time or being in front of someone or something physically. Being ahead of others means having an edge over them, whether it's in terms of skills, knowledge, or resources. It can also refer to progress made towards achieving a goal or objective. Therefore, being ahead of something or someone implies being in a better or more favorable position compared to others or the desired outcome.